Welcome to this video. This video going to explain fullerene. Fullerenes belong to the carbon family and it is the third allotrope of carbon. Remaining two are graphite and diamond. Fullerenes are closed hollow cages consisting of carbon atoms interconnected in pentagonal and hexagonal rings. A fullerene is a pure carbon molecule, C20 being the smallest one. The most famous fullerene is C60, known as buckyball. Fullerenes have been extensively used for several biomedical applications, including the design of high performance MRI contrast agent, X-ray imaging contrast agents, photodynamic therapy, and drug and gene delivery. Structure and bonding of C60. C60 fullerene consists of 12 pentagons are surrounded by 20 hexagons. Here, 60 vertices for the carbon atoms and 90 covalent bonds between them. 60 single bonds and 30 double bonds are there. Each carbon is part of one pentagon and two hexagons. Each has two single bonds and one double bond for the traditional carbon valence of 4. The fullerene hybridization is not fixed but has variable characteristics depending on the number of carbon atoms in the molecule. Different types of fullerene. Buckyball clusters. Smallest member is C20 and the most common one is C60. Buckminster Fuller invented this fullerene, that's why the term buckyball is arised. Now the next one is nanotubes. Hollow tubes of very small dimensions having single or multiple walls. Potential applications in electronics industries. Megatubes. Larger in diameter than nanotubes and prepared with walls of different thickness. Potentially used for the transport of a variety of molecules of different sizes. Polymers. Chain 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional polymers are formed under high pressure and high temperature conditions. Single strand polymers are formed using the atom transfer radical addition polymerization ATRAP route. Nano onions. Spherical particles based on multiple carbon layers surrounding a buckyball core proposed for lubricants. Then linked ball and chain dimers. Two buckyballs linked together by a carbon chain. So these are some of the type of fullerenes. Then synthesis of C60 fullerene. The experimental setup used to discover C60. The graphite disc is evaporated with a neodymium doped yttrium aluminum garnet laser and the evaporated carbon plasma is cooled by a stream of helium coming from a pulsed valve. The clusters of carbon are produced in the integration cup and are expanded into vacuum. The ions are detected by time of mass spectrometry. Then synthesis and purification of fullerenes. Schematic illustration of the process involved in the synthesis and purification of fullerenes. Graphite rods are evaporated in an arc under helium atmosphere. The soot collected is extracted with toluene and subjected to chromatography separation. At final we get a pure fullerene. Then applications of fullerene. Antioxidants and biopharmaceutical. Fullerenes are powerful antioxidants reacting readily and at a high rate with free radicals, which are often the cause of cell damage or death. Fullerenes hold great promise in health and personal care applications where prevention of oxidative cell damage or death is desirable, as well as in non-physiological applications where oxidation radical processes are destructive. Polymer additives. Fullerenes and fullerenic black are chemically reactive and can be added to polymer structures to create new copolymers with specific physical and mechanical properties. They can also be added to make composites, Much work has been done on the use of fullerenes as polymer additives to modify physical properties and performance characteristics. Other applications: catalysis, marked ability. So, fullerenes are act as best catalyst, which is widely used to convert methane into higher hydrocarbons. Water purification and biohazard protection. Singlet oxygen catalysis of organics with a fullerene C60. Portable power. Proton exchange membranes for fuel cells. In vehicles, enhanced durability, low heat built-up, better fuel economy with the use of fullerene black. Then in medical, MRI agents. So these are the other applications of fullerene. Thank you. Thank you for watching.